Hello everyone, I am Avinash Singh, Principal Architect and Director of Arc Village 24 Design Studio. Arc Village 24 is an award-winning architectural company based in Delhi. Talking about us, we are a bunch of architects who believes to keep balance between art and technology. During our design processes, we do take help of a lot of technologies like home automation or virtual realities to achieve our goal. Now, today I am here to talk about uh, health-friendly smart space. So, first of all, we all need to know what is health-friendly smart space. I'll give you various examples. So imagine you are getting up in the morning and doing your treadmill or maybe running, and your wearable device like fitness band can sense something, some unusual thing which can track and needs to be shared to your doctor. This can be maybe your heart or maybe your BP. Uh, Maybe another example can be your bed is equipped with a sensor which can track your sleeping pattern, and something unusual happens and that can immediately can be tracked and shared to your doctor in real time. This is to ensure your health is not compromised 24/7. Now, in a way, your home becomes a mini hospital, obviously in a good way. uh, yes, I firmly believe that there are some limitation to it. We need to keep balance uh, for it, and definitely the hospitals are required. Now, there are many other benefits we can talk about, like we all know during COVID how important it was for us to keep ourselves hygienic. So all these switches, all the electronic devices can be touch free, and which is really important for us. Now another example I can tell you how important it is for the elderly people. So I'll give you an example. My parents stays in hometown, and I'm here in Delhi for obvious reason. So my dad has a pacemaker implant. Now most of the time I'm worried about his health, and imagine my home becomes a health friendly space where his pulse rate or a BP for my parents can be tracked and shared. If something unusual happens in real time to a doctor or to me, it solves most of the problem for me. And I believe most of us would agree with this. That's the power of a health friendly smart space. So, yes, being an architect, I firmly believe then that coming days we all need to start thinking in this direction to ensure that our houses are built in a way that it can be equipped with all these in the facilities. So friends, that is all from my side for now, and I would like to conclude here. I hope you like this video. One more thing I would like to highlight here, that the opportunity to talk about health friendly smart spaces was given by NEOS. NEOS is into home automation. Being an architect, I always see them coming up with very innovative product when it comes to home automation. In fact, the initiative to talk about all these issues which is impacting our society was also really appreciable. I really endorse it. With that note, thanks for watching this video, and please do take care of yourself.